How to make Instagram story icons smaller. So the latest update of the Instagram made the story icon bigger. And unfortunately, Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to adjust the size of icons specifically within the Instagram story. The size of icons in Instagram stories is fixed and cannot be directly changed. The only thing we can do to change the story icon smaller is to talk to Instagram support directly. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. In this homepage, click on your profile icon. Once you're in your profile tab, click on the three lines icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and then here select settings and privacy. Now in here, scroll down to the very bottom and click on help. It is under the more info and support tab. Now click on report a problem and just let Instagram know that your story icon became bigger after updating and you need the smaller version back. Instagram support will get back to you in 2 to 3 business days and that should fix it. So that is how to make Instagram story icon smaller. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.